Good morning everyone. Today we are going to start with a new topic that is related to coordinate geometry, and the topic name is distance formula. As you can see, I have shown a Cartesian plane or an xy plane where you can see that there are 2 points A and B, and they are having the coordinates as x1, y1, and the other one is having the coordinates as x2 and y2. And in this distance formula we are going to see that how the distance can be calculated if the coordinates of the 2 points are given to us. So the formula for finding out the distance between any such 2 points like A and B, we can find out the distance of AB as under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now this shows that we are going to take out the difference of the two abscissas that we have got for the two different points, square it up, plus then we are going to take out the difference of the two ordinates, we are going to square it up, and the entire value will be under the root sign. Let's see that how this particular formula works in an example. So children, as you can see, I've taken one example over here where I've taken one point A, which is having the coordinates as -1, -5, and the other one having the coordinates as -6 and 7. So out of these 2 points, you can consider any one point as x1, y1 and the other point coordinates as x2, y2. It is not mandatory that the first point has to be always taken as x1, y1 and the second point has to be taken as x2, y2. No, you can do this thing also. You can take the second point as x1 and y1 and the first point as x2 and y2. That totally depends on you. So the point A, which was having the coordinates as -1 and -5, I've taken that point as x1, y1, and the coordinate B, which was having and the point B, which was having the coordinates as -6, 7, I've taken its coordinate as x2 and y2. So the formula says under root x2 minus x1 whole square. So the value of x2 is -6. I'm going to substitute it over here. Then there is a minus sign as per to this formula. I'm going to substitute over here, and then after that the value of x1 is -1, and outside there is a square. As you can see that I have been very careful while placing the values with the sign. The x2 was having the value as -6, then we have to take out the difference. So that is why this is the first minus sign that I have placed, and then after that the second value, that is x1 itself, is a negative number, so I have placed it inside another bracket, plus y2 minus y1. y2 is actually 7 minus, and again y1 is again a negative number, so that will be -5 and then whole square. So this will be -6 minus minus is +1 whole square, plus this will be minus minus plus, this will be 7 plus 5 whole square, and all this thing under the root sign like the previous one. Then after that, as you can see, -6 plus 1 is going to give us -5 whole square will be done, plus 7 plus 5 is 12 whole square will be done, and again this entire value will be under the root sign. So this root sign will continue till the time you are not going to change the number into a number which is a perfect square. So this will be 25 plus 144 under root sign, and this will give us root 169. So as we all know that root 169 is actually the perfect square of 13. So in this way we can get the distance between the 2 points A and B as 13 units.